In today's video, we will be talking about how to add a countdown timer to Shopify. Now, to be able to add a countdown timer to your Shopify store, you're going to have to utilize this feature called apps. So simply click on apps over here, and you're simply going to search countdown timer. Click on enter, and we will be redirected to the Shopify app store. In this Shopify app store, you're going to simply look for a single app. And that's the only countdown timer that you're going to need, which is the essential countdown timer bar over here. The specific item or the specific app is specifically built for Shopify, so simply select this. Although you're not limited to the specific app, you could utilize other apps such as Promotional Sales Tool or Hextom over here, whichever one that you prefer, because a lot of them has higher types of free rating, and for this one it's only 284, but the others reach 1000 or 500. But anyway, let's go and click on essential countdown timer bar over here, and let's see what it can do for us. This specific application will allow us to add a countdown on the product page, which will add a timer to our product page. It will have an announcement bar countdown also, which will promote a sale across your store with a top bar. You will be able to have a landing page countdown as well, a cart countdown timer, and a schedule to date, daily recurring or evergreen fixed minute countdown timer as well. So to be able to install this, simply click on install, and you will be able to install this. Now, as you can notice, by the way, on the highlight, it is specifically built for Shopify, so you don't have to worry about it being buggy or being bad app. It is high quality, so simply click on install app over here to successfully install this application into your Shopify store, and then you will be able to add this or utilize this application on your online store as you customize it as well. So simply wait for it to load. Let's click on essential countdown over here. As you can see, simply click on create a new timer. Then you could add a new timer for the product page, top bar, landing page, cart page, or any type of timer where you would like to place it on. For example, let's go with top bar. Then let's cancel. There we go. You're simply going to put in the countdown timer name, the title, which is this one. This is like the preview, subheading, get it now, something like that. Then you have your call to action, which is the button over here. Then the link to where this specific thing or the specific button will lead you. You could put a link to a specific product which is currently on sale. And then you have your timer label over here. You have days, hours, minutes, and seconds. And then you could have, as you can see, countdown to a date or fixed minute, depending on the preference. And this is the end date. Depending on the end date, it will increase. So for example, if I increase this to like the 11th, it will last and add 2 days over here, as you can see on the right side. Then once it ends, you can see it show custom title or do nothing. Depends on your preference, of course. And then you can simply publish it to your design. And that's basically it.